Get ready to immerse yourself in a musical bliss with your very own pair of boAt Airdopes Atom 81. To power on the device, follow these steps. Simply open the lid of the charging case. Our IWP Insta-Wake and Pair technology enables the earbuds to power on automatically, get connected, and enter into the connection mode. To connect your device to your phone Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth functionality on your phone media device and scan. Search for Airdopes Atom 81 and pair accordingly. Congratulations! Your earbuds are now successfully connected via Bluetooth. To use your earbuds as mono solo, follow these steps. Simply take out either left or right earbud from the charging case. Congratulations, you are now using mono solo mode. Your Airdopes offers some basic functions as follows. Single tap either earbuds CTC to play or pause music. Triple tap left CTC to activate beast mode for low latency gaming experience. Triple tap left CTC again to turn it off and return to standard music mode. When playing music, double tap the left earbuds CTC to go back or double tap the CTC twice to return to the previous song. When playing music, double tap the right earbuds CTC to skip to the next song. Single tap the CTC on either earbud to answer an incoming call. Double tap the CTC on either earbud to end reject call. Long press on either earbud CTC for 3 seconds to activate voice assistant. RENX environmental noise cancellation tech algorithm cancels out the background noise so that you can be heard crystal clear via voice calls. One need not activate ENX as the mics are already equipped with the same and activated by default. To charge your earbuds, place the earbuds back into the charging case in correct orientation and close the lid. The earbuds will automatically switch off and enter into charging mode. For charging the case, plug one end of the provided cable into the case. Connect the other end to a computer wall adapter, power bank, etc. Perform the factory reset in case you face any difficulty while operating your Airdopes. Note: before performing reset, clear Airdopes from pairing device history by forgetting device. Take out both the earbuds from the case. Long touch the CTC on both the earbuds for 5 seconds. Place the earbuds back inside the case in the correct orientation. Close the lid and wait for 5 seconds. Simply open the lid of the charging case and perform a fresh connection attempt. Congratulations, your Airdopes has been reset. If the touch controls don't seem to respond after long usage, residual stains and perspiration can affect the touch control area. Please use a pogo pin or cotton swab to clean the earbuds and use a microfiber cloth to clean the control areas to avoid precipitation.